everybody, welcome back. So today I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, if you guys are interested in this haul, just keep on watching. Alright, so here is my bag, or one of them. I have two of these. Picked up some of these mirrors here, and I'm trying not to blind you too much, but I picked up 4 of these. And these, of course, are just for DIYs. I have one in mind, so you might actually see that this week or next week. I love the Dove products from the Dollar Tree, so I did get my hands on 3 more of these for the winter months. We are still in full-fledged winter here in Michigan. In fact, we are just going through a winter storm tonight. So yeah, winter is still in full effect here, and I'm gonna still need these for at least about another month and a half or so. So I did pick up 3 more of these. I love to have these by my bed as well, just to make sure my hands are really moisturized at night. I found is this Pond's Pure Detox, and I do like this. However, it can be a little bit drying for me because I do have dry skin. I will only use this maybe about once or twice a week so that I don't get that really tight feeling skin, which I don't like at all. But this does get your face really clean. If you have oily skin, this will probably be bomb for you. So yeah, it's got to be gel here, and I was surprised to find this at Dollar Tree. I've never used these to secure a wig before, so I thought, you know what, for $1 maybe I'll try it. I don't think I'll use it on my kids' hair or anything like that, but you know, I'll try it to see how it works to put on a lace front or something like that. This is a personal product. I picked up the Feminine Wash. I always pick these up from Dollar Tree. I just don't really feel there's a difference in comparison to the Summer's Eve. I've been using this probably for about a year or 2 now, and I love it. So highly recommend these. Here, I love to just have little notebooks on hand to jot down notes for ideas for videos and things like that, or if I need to take my kids anywhere, you know, and I'm on the phone real quick, I can just go ahead and jot down an appointment time or something, and then later on put it in my phone or my calendar. So I got this one, and it just says this girl won't stop, because this girl won't stop. So I picked this up. A few of the Bolero wipes. So I got, this is the coconut and sea salt, and I picked up 2 of these. I didn't even know I had 2. I thought I had 1, but I have 2 of the coconut sea salt ones. I also picked up 1 in the French lavender, and it just looks like this, as well as 1 in the cranberry sweet orange, and that one just looks like this. And I do like these. These are one of the few Bolero products that I would recommend buying, because I feel like they get the job done pretty well. You will still need to cleanse your face. I would not just use this and not cleanse my face to get all the makeup off, but it is a great starter. And I only found 1 of the bath bombs, and this is the coconut and sea salt fragrance as well. I picked this up for my kids. You guys know they really love to have bath bombs in their bathtub, so I picked up a few of these for them. It's just this bath soak here, and it is in the fragrance French lavender and citrus, and again it just looks like this. Now, I have not used any of their bath salts, so I can't tell you if they're any good or not, but I will give it a smell, and it does smell like lavender. It is a lighter lavender, so don't expect a really potent fragrance with this one. It is really light. And guys, I found some more mirrors that I am thinking of doing another DIY with. I got these here, and they just look like this. Let me just do this for you. Okay, so I really love the detail on these, so I picked these up. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these as of yet, but I am going to be definitely using these in some sort of DIY. Here's a couple of these toothbrushes. I just like to have extra ones on hand for the kids and for $1. And the last things that I picked up, you guys, are just some nail art kits. So I picked these up, and I really love the fun little patterns on these. One in a beautiful purple and teal color here, And that's really pretty. And then this one in the, I think this is like a peachy color and black. So cute. I cannot wait to play around with these. And then this one here. So guys, that is all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.